Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. As you can see from my headband, Christmas is coming. And actually for Christmas, I like to invite my friends over for very nice lunch. And to serve as appetizer, I usually make this lemon tofu. It's very simple to make, but very refreshing, and all the ladies love it. This is a recipe from Jean-Georges and Marja when they came to Korea to shoot Kimchi Chronicle. We had the opportunity to visit a restaurant in Insadong, and the Korean ladies made something very similar, and Jean-Georges was very impressed with it, that he actually created this lemon tofu recipe after his visit. And we all love it at our family, and we use it for all the special occasions. It really has the wow factor, so I hope you'll try it when you entertain at home this Christmas. So let's get started. First, you take your lemon and you wash it very cleanly with baking soda. Take the pretty top and cut that part about 2 inches from the top. And the bottom, because we want it to stand, we'll cut just a little bit at the end, like this. So, and make sure that you keep its original top, because you don't want to mismatch. I'm going to cut out the flesh inside, like this. And this is actually, looks complicated, but this is actually the most difficult part about making this recipe. Make the slits, and then using a teaspoon, take out the pulp. And try to remove as much as the lemon juice as possible. So basically you have a very nice shell of a lemon shell. I'm going to put it onto this with its own cover. So I have here 1/3 cup of roasted peanuts, salted peanuts. You do want some salt in this. And I'm going to let it pulse just for a few minutes. The reason I pulse the peanuts is because I don't want to blend it together with tofu too long, because then tofu will become too creamy. So you need to sort of prep the peanuts. I think it's good. Then I'm going to add the pine nuts to this. And pulse again for about 2-3 seconds. I'm going to add soft tofu. Be sure to use the soft one, not the medium or the hard ones. And we'll put this in. And to this, I've already mixed the honey and sugar, so equal amount of honey and sugar. Just add a little bit of sweetness. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice from the lemon extract that we just, and some salt. So I'm going to blend it together for maybe a minute, not more than that, until the tofu is very nice and creamy. I think it's ready. Let me see. I'm just going to add a little bit more lemon because I like mine to be a little bit more refreshing. But it's really up to your own personal taste. So adjust the portions accordingly to your personal preference. Okay. So the tofu mixture should be nice and thick and creamy like this. I'm going to transfer the mixture into the lemon shells here. A little bit at a time. You don't want to put too much in, because this is like an appetizer. You can actually serve this between courses as well. It's like a, instead of serving sherbet. You can use it as in-between refresher. I will garnish the lemon cups with some fresh pistachio. I'm going to use my favorite grinder and just grind on top of the lemons. This will add color and, taste. If you have excess, you can also use some, fresh edible flowers or different kinds of nuts. You can grind up almonds, but I think pistachio adds really beautiful color to it. So let's go and get my Christmas table set and started. So I hope you enjoyed watching how I set the Christmas table for the ladies and also the menu. The recipes for all the dishes that we had today are already in our previous video, so please refer to them. And I will try my lemon cheesecake, which is always a favorite among my friends. Finally, I want to share the fact that today the whole concept is old and new. I'm using my mother-in-law's china, which is almost like 60 or 70 years old. I really still love it, and they're so pretty. You cannot get them these days. So it always makes me feel very special when I use her china. So I hope that you will appreciate the beauty of these old things as well. So let me help myself to a little piece of cheesecake. And before I start to eat, I wish you a wonderful holiday season, happy holidays, healthy holidays, and happy cooking and happier eating. Very lemony.